Well, ladies and gents, I'm back out here on this pond that I got my pin perch out of. I got a bunch of shiners with me, but my main goal today is find some bluegill. I've just been drilling and dropping, looking for them. Haven't found them yet, but I'm gonna keep working these shorelines and going out deeper until I find them. But other than bluegill, there's a whole lot of trout in here. Ton of big bluegill, ton of big trout. There's a good chance I get a pin today, but honestly, I'm just looking to catch some fish. If I don't find the sunfish if I don't find any bluegill or anything within like 2 hours, I'll probably just switch to the perch because those are fun to catch and I'm just looking to catch some stuff. But I'm gonna get everything set up once I do find them, but I'll keep the GoPro rolling for now, just in case I catch something cool while I'm looking. Ooh, is that a fish on the bottom? Oh, a bunch of fish. Yo, I got one. What are these? There's a million. Oh my God, it's trillions of perch. I've never seen so many perch on one screen. Oh my God. Well, it's been a couple hours. Haven't found any bluegill. I've been checking really shallow. I think I'm just gonna jig some perch up for a couple hours and start checking deeper for the bluegill. I'm gonna put out some traps for some trout too, so hopefully I get some of those. But it's gotten extremely windy. I'm like getting blown away trying to walk around over here. So I'm gonna have to set my traps up right so the wind doesn't set them off. Oh, there's another flag. Thinking that is also a false. Yeah, I think the wind popped this one. Well, I'm gonna sit here and jig. I'm dropping down a shiner close to the bottom that I can watch on my sonar. I'm gonna jig with this rod next to me. I should be able to get some pretty good perch out of here. I'm skeptical of these flags because the wind just keeps blowing through them and setting them off. So I feel like, oh, here's a fish. Hold on, it's actually a pretty good mark. Comes from my shiner. He's on it. Does he have it? I think he looked at it and left. Shiner was not too happy though. Oh, I got him. That's a pretty good fish. Big mark at least, not fighting. Oh, this is a good fish. Actually did not fight at all. That was very strange. Didn't really fight, kind of just came up, but it's a nice perch right there. Probably 13, close to 14. Love to see him. Oh, fish bombing up for my freaking dead stick. Oh, there's a ton of fish here now. He's getting whacked. I just got one on this too. It's pretty big. Huge school of just all big fish. Oh yeah, big perch. Nothing on this guy. Drop him back down. Kind of a skinny one though. I mean, it's pretty big. Don't get me wrong. About the same kind of fish. I'm gonna throw him back because we got a lot of stuff down here right now. Ooh. There's a lot of good fish down here. There we go. No way. That is a big fish. I got a flag up over there too. Hold on, I got a big fish down here, Mr. Flag. I don't see that thing spinning at all, so I'm not too worried. Dropping down a new shiner because my last one got stolen. I got 2 flags up. Uh-oh. Ooh, there's something on this one. Nice rainbow. There we go, baby. Nothing insane, but always happy to see a trout. Gonna keep this one for the frying pan. He's good cooking size. If that far flag continues to be the only one getting trout, then I might move them all towards the shoreline. Figured I'd give it a shot, setting them in different depths, but I think the ones going along the bank are gonna be the most productive. Oh yeah. I think there's a lot of small ones mixed in right here. Dude, there's a good 50 fish down here. There we go. Gonna have to weed through these small ones, find some big ones. There's a small one. In the nursery. Ooh, this one's all right. Typical perch. There we go. That's a better one. It's got a little more weight. Same size. Absolutely putting the beat down on him right now. Well, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I recorded this one a while ago. I kind of just had it in the archive for a rainy day or a windy day, which is what the past couple days have been. I haven't really fished in a bit because it's been blowing like 25 miles an hour or more for like almost 4 days straight. And I won't lie, I didn't really want to go fishing in that. So I had this video I filmed probably like 3 weeks ago. I was trying to find a pin bluegill out of the same spot that I got my perch out of, but that didn't end up happening. Got some nice perch, got that nice trout. And it was a decent day, but the wind really did suck. Now I've been trying to film a crappie pin hunting video. I have so many segments built up because I've done a ton of little day trips looking for that 14-inch crappie, but that thing is eluding me. I'm gonna try again tomorrow. Hopefully I get that fish because I want to make the video, but if not, I'm gonna have a whole lot of segments on that one video. Definitely gonna try get 1 or 2 more lake trout trips in as well before the ice starts to melt. I think going out on Sebago on my kayak is something I definitely want to try as well. Jig some Lakers up out of 170 feet of water. I've never caught them in open water, so I think it'd be pretty fun to do. But I'd say we've got a solid month, maybe a little more than a month left in ice fishing. Usually about end of March is as far as I can stretch it. So I'm gonna see if I can't get 1 or 2 more pins in before the ice gives out. But once spring comes, it's gonna be go, go, go. We got turkey season. Fish are gonna start spawning, they're gonna start kicking in. I think I'm gonna have a good chance at getting some pins in the spring, so not all is lost if I can't make it happen during the ice. But anyways, I appreciate you guys yet again for watching today's video. If you liked it, make sure to leave me a like. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, keep up with all of the content. And I'll be seeing you guys on the next one.